Kawadhi nyime eni doho manakuru nong'ado mondo jatend kweth mar Confirm omed dine etesend obila. Obila nokwayo doho omed gi thuolo mar dino ne Dickson Macharia ma en jahigni 35. Dickson nomaki bo manakuru kaluwore koda pedha ma obila osebedo katimo ne kwethno moserocho arita kwe e boma manakuru koda alworane.
Free. Now, I have then now accordingly been persuaded by the state that there are good reasons for continued detention of the suspect herein to enable the state complete investigations. The state has sought 30 days, but my view is that the 30 days is such a long time, considering the fact that the investigator has zeroed in on the issues they want to do their investigations on. I will allow them 15 days. The suspect will be detained at the Central Police Station during the said period, and then now that he has an advocate on record, the advocate be accorded an opportunity, or rather the suspect be allowed to engage his advocate for purposes of these investigations.